Welcome to the showcase of innovative research conducted by postgraduate students at the National Institute of Library and Information Sciences, University of Colombo, graduating in December 2024. NILIS is proud to present the diverse and impactful research endeavors of our postgraduate students, highlighting their contributions to the field of library and information sciences in Sri Lanka. Our students have delved into the critical area of inclusivity, exploring how libraries can better serve individuals with special needs. S. Praveen Kumar examined the main sources of information for visually impaired students and staff during the COVID-19 lockdown at the School of the Blind in Ratmalana. Madhusha Nasanka Lankatilaka analyzed the relationship between digital literacy skills and academic performance of undergraduates with visual impairment in selected universities in the Western Province. Advancing academic excellence, several studies focused on enhancing university library services through technology, sustainable practices, and specialized resources. A.V. Manil Rupika Amaravira investigated the information needs of research and professional staff in fisheries research institutes for developing culture-based fisheries. Yasantini Godfrey Fernando explored the provision of library resources and services for effective visual and performing arts education at higher education institutes. S.A. Jeevan assessed the feasibility of establishing a geospatial data service for university libraries with a case study at the University of Peradeniya. B. Eranga Sanjay Bandara examined the status of digital reference services in state university libraries across Sri Lanka. Krishanti Sivalingam evaluated the current state of implementing sustainable development goals by Sri Lankan university libraries. Exploring how research libraries leverage ICT to enhance accessibility, data security, and the effectiveness of information services for specialized users is also important. UKD Chaturi Nadisha Gunasekara evaluated the effectiveness of data security measures in research libraries. HD Irangani Saumya assessed the integration and impact of ICT in special libraries in Sri Lanka. W. Priyantha Venivalpitiya conducted a bibliometric analysis of master's thesis at the Sri Lanka Institute of Development Administration Library. C.S. Veerasinghe studied the information needs and seeking behavior of users at the same institution. Investigating the role of Piriven libraries in supporting monastic education and enhancing the information skills of teachers and students within traditional Buddhist learning centers is another approach of our research. Gamage Vikum Sampath examined librarians' roles in developing information skills required for competency-based learning in Piriven libraries, focusing on Mahapiriven in the Gampaha district. Reverend Thavalama Siddhartha Thero evaluated Piriven teacher capacity development conducted by the Southern Province Education Department in online mode. Reverend Dellava Dhammaratana Thero studied the use of library resources in teaching by Piriven teachers. Fostering education at the foundation level, our students conducted research on enhancing resources and practices in school libraries too. RMBG Atula Samankulatunga mapped curricula to develop teaching and learning collections in school library learning resource centers. K.S. Abhiratna explored the role of principals in directing teachers to use resources in the teaching learning process. RPP L. Rajapaksha studied how the relationship between textbooks and teachers' guides as information sources affects the competency-based learning. GWCP Leelaratna investigated the teaching role of teacher librarians in the teaching learning process. B.A. Senadira researched the advancement of school libraries in the Kaduwela Education Division during 2018-2022. Strengthening community ties, students explored the evolving role of public libraries and their impact on society. HGM Aravind Gajanayaka analyzed the contribution of public libraries to the creative economy through the promotion of arts and culture. Sandarasi P. Sudasinghe provided a critical analysis of the reading habits of children using public libraries in the Jaffna district. H.W. Indika Dishanti conducted an investigative study on the interest of public library users in fiction reading based on the Richard Patiranag Library in Goa. T.L. Ayasha Zinia examined the role of public libraries in the digital age, focusing on public perception and expectations at the Kakunagolla Public Library. These comprehensive studies demonstrate the dedication of NILIS postgraduates to advancing library and information sciences with significant implications for education, technology integration, community development, and inclusivity across Sri Lanka. We extend our gratitude to the candidates, their supervisors, course coordinators, and the faculty who guided our students, and the librarians and heads of institutions that provided support for these valuable research. Join us in celebrating the achievements of our postgraduate students at the University of Colombo Postgraduate Convocation this December 2024. Congratulations to all our graduates on their outstanding contributions.